Today's tip is to make the best dining out decisions. In past episodes of this podcast, I have extolled the benefits of cooking more of your meals at home. But let's be honest, it's not like you can or even want to eat every single meal at home. Eating out is fun. It's a social activity with family and friends. It's convenient when you're on the run, and it's part of learning the local culture when you're traveling. So, how do you make healthy choices when you're not eating at home? Well, first I'll say that you don't always have to. A healthy lifestyle is about balance, and balance means that sometimes you make healthy choices, and other times you throw caution to the wind and dive into that burger and fries at your favorite restaurant. These tips are for those days when you're eating out and you're not sure how to make the healthy choice when you want to. Here are a few tips that will help. Let's start with healthy eating at restaurants. First, plan ahead. If you know where you're going ahead of time, try to find the menu online. This gives you the ability to decide what you will order without the peer pressure or emotion attached to eating out. Often we have our go-to menu items and order them without much thought. Choosing what you will order ahead of time will give you the opportunity to try something just as tasty, but a little bit healthier. When in doubt, choose protein and veggies. Order a lean cut of chicken, beef, pork, or fish, and add extra veggies instead of a starchy side like fries or potatoes or pasta. Choose broth-based soups. A cup of soup loaded with veggies and protein is both healthy and filling when it's swimming in chicken, beef, or veggie stock. Watch the descriptions. Steamed, grilled, and baked indicate that the food was cooked in a healthier way. Try to avoid menu items with the words creamy, breaded, crisp, buttery, sautéed, and pan-fried. These items will include unhealthy fats along with more calories. Be aware of the salads. This one sounds counterintuitive. Ordering the salad at restaurants may seem like the healthy choice, but it isn't always the case. Meal-sized salads with creamy dressings, bacon, cheese, dried fruits, nuts, fried noodles, etc. can have as many calories and fat as the burger. Take a careful look at the descriptions and ingredients and ask for modifications if necessary. And watch out for gluten-free options. It's easy to assume that because it's gluten-free or organic, that it's healthy. Unfortunately, sometimes when they remove gluten from foods, they have to add in extra fats or sugars to make it palatable. Next, let's look at how to eat healthy at the drive-thru. Here are a few ideas on what to order when you're on the run. First, order breakfast. Many places offer breakfast foods all day. A breakfast sandwich is often a healthier option than a burger, and many fast food restaurants also offer things like fruit and yogurt parfaits. Most fast food burger restaurants offer a lettuce wrap instead of the traditional bun. It is a bit messier though, so not exactly something you can eat while driving. And if you have the choice, order your chicken sandwich with grilled chicken instead of fried. 3 ounces of grilled chicken breast has 110 calories and 2 grams of fat, where 3 ounces of fried chicken breast has 220 calories and 11 grams of fat. And finally, here are a few tips for eating at parties. Don't go to the party starving. We don't make the best eating decisions when we're ravenous. Have a small snack with protein and fiber that will fill you up a little bit so you won't eat everything in sight once you arrive. If it's a buffet, take a lap before you choose. Take a look at all the options and start to think about what you would prefer to eat and how much. Try to balance your plate with a few selections that are treats as well as a few selections that are healthier. Maybe stick to special foods that you wouldn't normally eat. Don't fill up on chips or crackers and cheese when you could choose something different, like a couple of bacon-wrapped scallops, for example. If you're going to eat higher calorie foods, make sure you can really enjoy and savor them. Next, maybe drink water for alcohol 1-to-1. This will keep you hydrated and will slow you down if you're in a particularly festive mood. Lastly, try not to focus so much on the food at a party. Enjoy the company and the conversation. You can prevent mindless munching by standing away from the buffet or snack table. Okay, my last and most important tip is to enjoy yourself. Enjoy your food and enjoy the company. After all, that's what life is really all about. Hopefully, some of these tips are helpful when you want to make a healthy choice at a restaurant, drive-thru, or party. Healthy eating can happen wherever you are. Willpower not required. Thanks so much for listening. I'd love to hear from you, so send me your tips, questions, or feedback. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at Fired Up Fitness Coaching, or email me at willpowernotrequired@firedupfitness.ca. Thanks so much. I look forward to connecting with you.